We love a good mini twist moment. Get into it.
I can't be your man, and that's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women.
Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in today's video we're gonna talk all about my cute mini twists. Y'all know I love my mini twists. I think I got mini twists for the first time, I think in July 2024, and I've been obsessed with them ever since. This is like my third time having mini twists, but my first time having mini twists with human hair. So special thank you to HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited to show you all basically start to finish. We're gonna cover the installation process. I'm gonna show you all my maintenance process, shower, nighttime routine. I feel like this is a low maintenance hairstyle and definitely a protective style as well. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So once you place your order, inside the box you'll find everything you need to get started. You have a red tail comb for parting, clips to help section your hair during the installation process, an edge brush, this beautiful scarf, and inside of this bag we have a spray bottle for refreshing your style. And I also received a few texture samples, which we're going to get into in just a little bit. So for my install, I received 5 packs of the 22-inch Afro Kinky bulk human hair. I got mine in the natural color, and this is the 3C4A hair texture. Now, if you're wondering how to choose the right texture to match your own natural hair, HOTBRAIDS makes that super easy. So they do offer texture samples on their website. Each texture is designed to blend seamlessly with specific hair types, and this is what gives you a flawless, natural looking finish that easily resembles your own natural hair. And inside of your sample, you'll also get the different hair textures summarized. So they have the 4A, 4B, the 3C, 4A. Basically, they have all the textures to help you all get started. And if you already know your hair texture, girl, that's even better. You can hop right onto the website using the link in my description box to place your order. I chose the 3C4A. It matches perfectly to my hair. Like, you can't tell me this not on my hair. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the installation process. So for this style, we're using the Softy Coconut Oil hair grease along with braiding gel and the Lotta Body foaming mousse. So this is what the hair looks like, nice, stretchy, and soft. I did receive 5 packs of the hair, but we're only gonna use about 2.5 packs if you want your twist to resemble mine. So I decided to go with small twists instead of mini twists, but don't get it twisted. Still a lot of twists in my head. Before filming, I did shampoo, condition, and blow dry my hair, so it's already prepped and ready to go. So we're starting in the back, taking small sections. My sister does apply a little bit of the Softy Coconut Oil hair grease, which I love the feeling of that on my scalp. It reminds me of childhood days and brings back so many memories. And after the hair grease, she follows up with a little bit of that braiding gel. So after parting, she brushes the section through just a little bit, divides my natural hair into 3 strands, and that's when she starts the braid. Once the braid is secure, that's when she picks up the HOTBRAIDS bulk hair and she braids it down a little bit. Y'all just gotta watch it and see, because I can't even explain that part. But after that, she splits the 3 strands into 2 strands, and that's when you twist the hair all the way down to the end. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this process is basically repeated over and over for hours until you make it to the top. Now, being totally honest, the whole thing did take about 3 days. Not because of how long the twists take, but just due to timing. Not gonna lie, on my first day to my appointment, I was late. I got there at 8 p.m. So here we are the next day, and this is how my sister separates out the hair. She basically kind of just pulls it from the entire bulk and adds it onto the braiding rack. But let's just be honest, like, that's what I love about my sister doing my hair. If I say I'm about to come and get my hair done, but I don't want to finish getting it done in one day, she accommodates me. Clock it. But realistically, this style can be done in a full day, especially if you have multiple stylists. I've seen some of the girls having multiple stylists in their hair at a time and just having someone to assist. But not gonna lie, I did not assist my sister at all. Only thing I did was cut the camera on. I sat back, I relaxed, and I chilled, and that's just the way I like it. Though for real, I love this hair. I love that it's super lightweight. You really cannot feel the added hair at all. Like, it looks so good. And since this is 100% human hair, the blend, yeah, seamless with my natural hair texture. And if you've seen my older mini twist install, because y'all know this is one of my favorite summer hairstyles now, then you know that I've used the synthetic hair. But this hair feels and looks way more like my own hair, which is what I love. You can't really tell where my hair ends and where the extensions begin. Like, it's given, this is all my hair at this point. And can we give it up for my sister and her parting skills? When I say Boone is so precise, I love how she was applying the softy hair grease directly to my scalp. Yes, we do take our food and snack breaks over here. Don't get it twisted. And I was able to just catch up on some YouTube shows while she was working, honestly. And that's how I like getting my hair done. Just sitting back and relaxing is so therapeutic to be taken care of. And let's be honest, do we ever really care how long it takes to get our hair finished when we're in the chair? Oh baby, yeah. Get me all the way together. And if you're not new here, then you all know that I have scalp psoriasis. So in the front, she does apply my prescription ointment that I get from my dermatologist, and that's what you're seeing in those clips towards the front. What I love most is that she keeps the product light, so nothing is really clogging my scalp. Occasionally, she does apply the Lot of Body foaming mousse to help set the twist. With my lifestyle, being in and out of the gym, and sometimes just wanting to wake up and go, I definitely recommend these mini twists. This is definitely a protective style. It's perfect if you're looking to grow your hair, if you just want something with low manipulation and low maintenance. Before getting this hairstyle, I was always unsure of how it would look on me, but being obsessed and loving the way it looks on everyone else. So if you're kind of like, I don't know how mini twists will look on me, girl, I say give it a try. It's just always something about knowing like, oh, this is the last one. Being able to just get up and go in the morning time and having your own natural hair out of the way in this summer heat. Yes. So I love my mini twist shaped to style, so she did do a little bit of trimming. Applying a little bit more of that ointment to my scalp, and yeah, this is the finished look. Let's get into it. It's been about a week and a half since I got my twist done, and I'm going to just quickly show you all how I maintain my twist. For shine, y'all know I like to use the Pro-Line Oil Sheen. This smells like strawberries. Spray it all over, work the sheen through. For my edges, my sister didn't leave out too much of my edges, so the one that I keep in my car, this is the Be Pure Edge Wax Shea Butter Scented, so I'll use this on my edges. I'll lay them for you all today just a little bit with the Edge Fixer, the strawberry scent. Love a good hair and scalp oil, so I've been using the Red by Kiss hair and scalp oil since getting my twist done. So I untwisted a little bit. It's got the little nozzle on it. I like having all of these little parts. Put that on there. Rub it in, and I don't like move the hair or anything. I kind of just make sure that it's on my scalp, and you can feel the nozzle on the scalp. You can move your hair out of the way and just squeeze it. For my shower updo, I just grab all of my hair at the top of my head. Sometimes I put the shower cap on, sometimes I don't. If it's all at the center of my head like this, I'm perfectly fine with just jumping into the shower. The twist don't get wet. In my head, me applying my hair oil before I get in the shower doing something. So yeah, but if I want to cover it, you just put a shower cap right on top. HOTBRAIDS.com. And then when I'm done in the shower, I just let it back down. And the good thing I love about this style, I can really pick any parting that I want. This is a leave-in conditioning spray. Sometimes I'll just kind of spray this into the hair. So things like leave-in conditioning sprays and all of that, something like this I wouldn't really use unless I washed my hair and I'm trying to put all the moisture and leave-in conditioners and all of that back. Me, day to day, I'm more of just like a hair oil. I forgot to show y'all this one too. This is a scalp serum. Now this one is also really good. You can use whichever products you like about 3 times a week. This is the routine that I do. This is the hair and scalp oil, and I just continue that. With your scalp being exposed and you being able to see all of your parts, I feel like you could just kind of monitor your scalp and say like, okay, let me add a little bit of oil, let me add a little bit of sheen to the twist as they need them. I love the fact that it's low maintenance, so this routine is definitely not something I'm doing every day. Let me show y'all a few of my favorite hairstyles that I wear when I'm wearing these twists. All you need is a scrunchie for most of these. You can decide how much you want to have out in your half up, half down. Take your scrunchie. Twice is fine with me. Boom. texture is different from mine, girl, they got a bunch of different options. So if you're watching this and you're like, okay, I got natural hair too, but not the same natural hair like you, they got you covered. So they send me over these little booklets right here. B-Roll Destiny, please. She be tripping. Please show the girls an up close shot. So if you have a 4A, 4B, they do have the 4A, 4B texture, and it just helps you to kind of compare so that you'll know which texture of hair you would want to order. I went ahead and unraveled them and twisted them onto my braiding rack to show you all. This is the 3A, 3B naturally curly, the 3B, 3C kinky curly, the 3C, 4A kinky coily, 4A, 4B afro kinky coily, and the 4B, 4C tight afro kinky coily. The good thing about this hair is as long as I take my hair down neatly, I'll be able to save this hair and rewear it. I think I got 2 bundles of the hair in my head. So I got 5 of these. They're 22 inches and this is how it looks on me. I love the style. Like, it really gives, put your bonnet on, go to bed, get up, take your bonnet off, style your hair, and you're good to go. What I do basically at night, you got 2 options. Sometimes I'm a hair scarf kind of girl, sometimes I'm a bonnet girl. Put the bonnet on. I like to keep the flat part right here in the front. Stuff it all in there, and then you tie it in the back. Boom. And then I'm ready for bed, and everything is just in my bonnet. And this doesn't come off when I'm sleeping. And then in the morning, slide them right out and just, you know how you flip your hair over, but you've been wearing it to the other side so much, you gotta train it in that direction. I'll use a scarf that's kind of like this. You let it sit while you're doing your makeup, or if you know you want to change the hairstyle the next day. The large square scarf, I just push all the hair back, grab, tie, tucked away, but you get the point. Now this scarf comes in a little more handy if you've done your maintenance routine to your hair. Mousse, your oil sheen, your leave-in conditioners, whatever you're doing to maintain your style and keep it looking luscious and effortless and cute and whatnot, then you can tie it up with a scarf like this to lock everything in. Y'all know how we like to have the hair marinated. When you can tie your hair up, tie your hair up. Let it back out. And for any of my twists that I notice are just coming down, I just kind of retwist it. Or if I'm really lazy about it, then I just spiral it around my finger. There we have it. It's definitely giving new week, new hair. What was it?
My life will never be the same. 'Cause girl, you came and changed the way I walk, the way I talk. I cannot explain the things I feel for you. But girl, you know it's true. Stay with me, fulfill my dreams, and I'll be all you need. Girl, I'm by life.
But yeah, I love my mini twist. Shout out to my sister D-Side. Be sure to check her out on YouTube. She does her own mini twist. If you follow me on Instagram, then you seen my struggle of trying to do this hairstyle myself once before. This is one of my favorite styles on me. You can do so many different hairstyles with it too. That's what I absolutely love. I can still switch it up while wearing mini twists. I like that a lot. So yeah, they do have lots of different textures. So if you're watching this like, oh, I want a twist too, but my hair texture is not the same as yours, girl, HOTBRAIDS got you covered, okay? Okay, and getting my hair all the way together. Y'all know I love being able to just get up and go, right? And not really. It just means I get to spend more time on my makeup and changing like 3 times before I finally put back on the first outfit I was wearing. We got options. We like options. That'll do. Special thank you to HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. I will have all of the details about HOTBRAIDS, the exact hair that I'm wearing, and more in the description box, as well as any coupon codes. So definitely be sure to check there for everything. Y'all know I got y'all covered. And I will talk to you all in my next video. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. It's definitely giving new week, new hair. What was it? Yeah, we love a good mini twist moment. Get into it.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Honey and fitness.